Hello friends, in the previous video we designed our building and we got these values. Okay, so these values basically represent the area of reinforcement in the various sections. Okay, so in the later sections of this series we'll learn how to convert these sectional areas into the number of rebars. Okay, so in this video I'll show you how you can redesign your structural members. For that, go to design and click on concrete frame design. So after that, click on display design info. Okay, so from here you can see different kind of data on your structure, right? So if you have to see longitudinal reinforcing, you have to see a rebar percentage. Okay, let's see our rebar percentage. Okay, so we click on OK. So here you can see that on the columns the reinforcement percentage is 0.80, and we are designing this building as per IS 456 2000, right? And it says that the reinforcement of the column must go from 0.8% to 6%. Okay, so it's 6%, but you don't go up beyond 4%, because if you go beyond 4%, it will make the sections uneconomical, as well as it will be very difficult to walk at the site. Okay, all right, so 0.8% is the minimum reinforcement, and even after providing the minimum reinforcement, our structure is safe. Okay, so this means that we can reduce the size of the columns. Okay, so for this we just unlock our model and we click on OK. So after that, go to define and click on section properties, and we click on frame sections, and we click on column, and we click on modify show property. So after that, we put our value of the column over here. Okay, let's put the value as 12 inches, and here also 12 inches. Okay, so 12 inches by 12 inches. So this is the minimum size of the column that is allowed in my country. Okay, so if in your country a higher size is required, so minimum size that can be provided by the municipality, so you have to go with that size. Okay, so we click on OK, and we click on OK. All right, so after that we again run our model. Alright, so and for designing, you can either go to design and do the same thing, or what you can do, you can just take this shortcut and click on this drop down menu over here, and we click on start design check. Right, so now you can see that the area of reinforcement has decreased. Okay, alright, so if we see the rebar in percentage, you can see. Okay, click on OK. So the minimum rebar percentage is given. Alright, so let's go to this option over here and click on display design info, and we click on longitudinal reinforcing, and we click on OK. So let's go to other sections as well, and you can see the various reinforcing sizes. So it's 1076 mm square. So normally what should happen is that as we go up in the building, the value of the column reinforcement requirement should decrease. Okay, but here you can see that it's 743 here at the bottom, and it's 1076 mm square in the bottom. So in that situation we take 1076 mm square from here up to here, and after which we go to 799 mm square. Okay, so after redesigning our building, let's save this model. So now we'll see what are the checks that has to be made in the building so as to make sure that our design is safe, and after that we'll know how to change these reinforcement values into the number of rebars. Okay.